welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I am back with a fashion and beauty haul video. Well, it's mostly all fashion, but I added a couple beauty items in there. But before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome. If you're new around here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also click on that bell so that way you get notified when new videos are uploaded. So that being said, let's move on to the video. I'm very excited because I ordered my first FashionNova order, and I know a lot of people have been raving about FashionNova, but I just never ordered. So I was really excited. I actually ordered it a couple weeks ago when they had a huge sale going on. Let me tell you that I am super impressed with the quality of their clothing. I got this really pretty shoulder dress. It's like off the shoulder. And one thing I liked about the dress is that it is lined, so it's not going to be sheer. That was like my main concern with the dress. But I was really excited that it's lined and it's beautiful. It fits perfectly. And I got it in the size medium, just in case you guys are wondering. But absolutely loved this dress. I also got this beautiful crop top. This is actually my first crop top, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's in a beautiful lilac color. It has a really nice detailing in the neck area right here, and also like a tied knot in the waist area. The material is super soft, and I absolutely love this color. It looks beautiful with some high-waisted jeans or leggings, and I like the color because it's so like spring color. So I got that, and then of course I had to get some jeans. FashionNova is known for their amazing jeans, so I got these super high-waisted jeans. I believe that's what they're called. I'll try to list them down there below, but they're just like super high-waisted, perfect for moms if you want to just tuck that tummy in. Also from FashionNova, I got this bodysuit, which is the one that I'm wearing. It's this red bodysuit, and I love the detailing in the neck area. It's super sexy. It's like all the way down. And I also love the sides. The sides look so pretty, but this, I must say, was one of my favorite ones. Definitely loved this bodysuit. I also got two tops from Amazon. I order a lot from Amazon. They have really good quality clothing. I got this white top. You can never go wrong with white. And even though it's long sleeve, it is so nice and lightweight, super soft, great material. And I love the detailing on the bottom. It has this kind of like crochet look at the bottom. Super pretty. Also from the same Amazon store, I got this olive green top, and it's super pretty. I love this color. To be honest with you, I don't have anything in my wardrobe that is this color, so I was really excited to pick up something different, and I love how it looks. It looks really nice with jeans, and it has like this really nice detailing in the neck area with the buttons. So I was shopping at Target the other day, and I happened to walk by their shoe aisle and saw that they had a huge sale going on. So I ended up coming out with two pairs of boots, and I am so in love with these. I got these boots right here. They're super pretty. They're like in the suede kind of material, pointed toe. They look stunning with some jeans or leggings, and I love the heel. It's like a not flat, it's a square heel, which makes it so much easier to walk around with. But love how these look. And then I also picked up these over the knee boots that I've been looking all over the place for, and look how pretty they are. They're so nice, super comfy, very nice fitted boots, and they are flats. So I have some lipsticks from the brand Anna Sui. They actually sent this out to me, Anna Sui and Oaktoli, for me to try out. And I'm so excited because if you've never seen their packaging before, it is gorgeous. So I have 3 shades right here. Look how pretty these are. They have like a little butterfly on the top. And there are 3 shades that are so colorful, so flattering. It's super rich in color, and only one swipe does it, so it's super pigmented. They're also very comfy on the lips and very long lasting. So I have 3 shades. The first shade that I will be showing you is the red one that I have on right now, and this is what it looks like. Even the top part of the lipstick has a rose shape on it. Then I also have this other shade that is more like a, I'm gonna say like a reddish coral color. This one here is definitely a color that I would wear in the summertime, and it's so vibrant. The color is beautiful. And then the last shade that I have is a gorgeous everyday shade, at least for me. This is like a really nice fuchsia color. Absolutely love this one here. I also have this duo stick right here from the brand Clarins. Clarins and Oak sent this out to me so I can try it out, and I was very excited because I'm not really used to using cream products. So when I saw this one here, I was really excited to try it out. It is called the Glow to Go from Clarins, and it has a blush on one side and a highlighter on the other side. The blush itself is beautiful. It's like a really nice coral color. Now the highlighter over here was a little bit more on the darker side. It's more like a bronzer for me, but they do have other shades on their website, and I really want to get another shade, so I might actually go in store and purchase one with a different shade, a lighter one. But the color itself, the color payoff is amazing, so pigmented, and also it blends out so nicely. I also have an eyeshadow palette that was sent out to me from DOUCCE and Oak, and it's this one right here in this really pretty packaging. It has 4 gorgeous shades. All these shades are so pigmented. That is actually what I have on my eyelids right now. They blended out so nicely. I got no fallout. One of my favorite shades was this one right here, which is kind of like a burgundy color. It's beautiful, and all their shades are really nice. This one here is more like a matte shade, and also the black one. Now this little palette here is called the Freematic eyeshadows, and like I said, there are 4 of them: Amanda, Kate, Talia, and Hillary. But really loved it. I'm really excited that I got to try this out and share it with you guys. So another product that I wanted to include in my video are some breath mints, and this company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their mints, and I've been trying these for a little bit over a week, and I am amazed, you guys. But what really interested me about these mints is that they have a boost of energy. So they have caffeine in them, so basically they freshen up your breath and they give you a boost of energy. Even my husband asked for a couple of them to bring to work, and he loves them. I must say these are pretty awesome. Now they sent me a couple packs to try. The ones that I've been trying are these, which is the spearmint flavor. They also sent these out, which I haven't opened. These are the peppermint flavor. And also these little packs. This one here is the cinnamon flavor. And then there's also the wintergreen flavor and chocolate mint flavor. This one here I can't wait to try. I love chocolate, and if it's minty, even better. The brand on these mints is called VITER Energy. So I'll list you guys all those links down below, and I'm also going to be doing a blog post because I thought these were pretty awesome. Definitely a must for a mom. So yeah guys, that was it. That was everything that I got for my fashion-beauty haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!